How to do a VLOOKUP with two spreadsheets in Excel. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and today we are back again with a new video. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly open all the spreadsheets which you want to VLOOK. Open in different tabs. Once you open both the Excel sheet, you simply need to go to any one of the spreadsheet and click on the column where you want to link it up. Simply type this formula equals to VLOOKUP and parenthesis. After that, enter the cell number from which you want to align the value. Now simply you need to write the name of the other spreadsheet and also the column up to which you want the data. Once you have completed the formula, as you can see in the screen, you are good to go. Hit the enter key and then you will be able to get the value. Now drag around the cursor up to which you want the value, and that's it. That is how easily you can VLOOKUP two spreadsheets in Excel. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.